Welcome to Beautyistic, where we give you the lowdown on products that really make a difference in your beauty routine. Let's talk about oral care, specifically the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser Teeth Pick, a water flosser that promises deep cleaning, a long battery life, and portability. If you're someone who struggles to fit flossing into your busy routine, or you're looking for an alternative to traditional floss, this might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews that could elevate your beauty game. Now let's break this product down. The COSLUS Water Dental Flosser is an electric oral irrigator designed to make flossing more effective and less of a chore. It utilizes ultra-fine dual-thread water pulse technology, which delivers 1,400 to 1,800 pulses per minute. What does that mean for you? It means superior plaque removal and a cleaner mouth with less effort. The device comes with multiple operation modes and pressure settings, so whether you're looking for a gentle clean or a more powerful rinse, this flosser has you covered. This water flosser features an upgraded 300 milliliter water tank, which is twice the capacity of older models. This is a major plus, as you won't need to constantly refill it while flossing. It's a convenient design, allowing you to floss for longer periods without interruption. The flosser is also rechargeable, with a 30-day battery life on a full charge. That's right, charge it up and you're good to go for the next month. It's also compact and comes with a USB cable, which makes it super travel-friendly. You can take it on trips or just leave it in your bathroom for daily use. The device is IPX7 waterproof, so it's safe to use in the shower or rinse it off after each use. You won't have to worry about any water damage. The motor is upgraded, delivering a dual-stream water flow that ensures a more efficient clean. Plus, it's built to last, with a 3-year durability under regular use. I've been testing this water flosser for a while now, and I have to say, it's made flossing a lot more enjoyable for me. The various pressure settings give me flexibility depending on what my teeth need. The soft mode is perfect for my sensitive gums, while the strong mode does a fantastic job at removing debris after meals. One thing I really appreciate is the larger water tank. It's definitely more convenient than having to refill every few minutes, especially when I'm in a rush. The battery life is another standout feature. With a long-lasting charge, it's the ideal tool for travel, and I don't need to worry about constantly plugging it in. Of course, no product is without its drawbacks. The one thing I noticed is that it's a bit bulky compared to some smaller models, so if you have limited counter space, that's something to consider. But overall, the size isn't a deal breaker, especially considering its impressive features. As for value, the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser is competitively priced given its range of features. With a large water tank, long battery life, multiple pressure settings, and waterproof design, it delivers a lot of bang for your buck. Compared to similar products on the market, I'd say it offers solid value for the price, especially considering its portability and longevity. In terms of alternatives, there are other brands out there that offer similar products, but many of them have smaller water tanks or shorter battery life. If you're looking for something on a tighter budget, you might consider brands that offer basic models without all the bells and whistles. But you'll likely miss out on features like extended battery life and a larger water tank. If you're someone who values those features, the COSLUS Flosser stands out. If you're wondering about customer service, I didn't have to contact them personally, but from what I've seen online, the brand has a solid reputation for being responsive. That gives me confidence in the company, knowing that if I ever have an issue, they'll likely resolve it quickly. After using this water flosser for a few weeks, I can confidently say that it lives up to its promises. The cleaning performance is excellent, and the design is practical and easy to use. It's especially great for people with busy lifestyles who need a quick, effective way to maintain oral hygiene. I also love the fact that it's compact and travel-friendly, which makes it even more appealing. If you're someone who struggles with traditional flossing or just doesn't have the time for it, this could be the solution for you. Thank you for watching today's review. If you're ready to try out the COSLUS Water Dental Flosser for yourself, the link is in the description box or comments. And if you've used this product before, let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.